Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can turn off the chat or conversation in a meeting in Zoom. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a virtual meeting and I'm the host here. So first of all guys, if you want to disable the chat, we need to go to the host tools. Okay, and then you can go to the chat menu right here, and then you can uncheck the chat so the participants won't be able to send message on the chat area here unless you allow them. Okay, and actually you can go to the chat menu again, and then you can customize the setting. You can click on more, and then you can select no one, so no one can chat here in your room. So there are two methods you can try. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn off a chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.